Okay, so what happened last week? Well, on GJ, what did we see? We saw us retrace deeper, as you can see, right to the open of that impulsive move we had to 156 2 weeks ago. Simply what we did. We didn't move anywhere. We were bearish week, even though everyone was waiting for the move up, including me. I was waiting for that move up. I did not get it. Actually, took a tiny loss on that. All good. As you can see, what do we have here? We have wicks to the upside, downside. Wick up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So pretty much sideways between 155.3 and 154.5. Two times we did breach that. Once we almost got to 154, but then we closed straight back above. So this level right there, as you can do if you deeper to the 8 hour, is a nice level of support. Question is, can the pound gain its strength back? Because it's not just the dollar, as you can see, the pound, the dragon. So you can see GU. Look at this shit. Straight up consolidation. Look at this consolidation, all consolidating. This pretty much just consolidated all through last week, as you can see, through this range. Faked out there, swiftly closed back in, swiftly back down again. What is going to happen next week? I don't know. This is what happened last week. Inflation wasn't much help. It came out extremely high, but I feel like that was already priced in. If you look at GJ, like I just ran through, it's pretty much the same thing. As you can see, consolidation, sideways movement. If we go into the fine details, what we can see is if we just take these off for a minute, what we can see right here is there is spikes that we're having at the same region. So I do believe if I just put my crosshair there, you can see that we've had one, two, three, and now four. So is this the fourth spike? Could this be an inverted head and shoulders? I don't think so, but we'll see. We have this. I didn't want to draw this on, but to me right now, it is looking like we have this dynamic resistance that we have seen play out in this. If you can just see that it's just every time it's just pushing us down further and further. And if you look at this, kind of just same thing there too, just switching us down. I don't know if that's accurate, but that is what I see. On gold, on this motherfucker. Well, I saw this move here. I was looking for the second move on there. If we just go to gold real quick. So I saw the first move here. As you can see, that was right down there. We have this nice spike and this lovely rejection out to 1900. Now, I don't know if I should have been patient, if I should have kept it all this while. Because if you notice, it did come in to tap me in and go to my short, but I had a short waiting down there. But what I didn't notice is we were creating lower levels down here. Oh, good that. short for me from down there. I did not see that. And that obviously melted, which is what I was looking for. Of course, we wanted it from up here, but we didn't get that. So what have we seen from this? So if I just take a moment now, I just like to adjust these so that we can get a clear picture. What we can see is that 1900 is a key level as we already knew. That has smashed us down twice now, as you can see. One, two. So nice double bottom on the daily. You can see on the daily right here. This was a pretty bearish week. Now remember on Friday we had that NFP disappointment that brought the gold right back down. But as you can see, the dollar is looking to gain strength. So gold right now for me is pretty volatile, and I feel like we should just trade the range. It's 1900 to 1870. That's a 300 pip range. I mean, what more can we ask for? So we have all my pairs right now, for me personally, are ranging. But these aren't just tiny ranges. These are amazing ranges. If we look at this one, this is a 60, 70, 80 pip range, depending on how close you're trading. Now, GJ is a little bit erratic. You can't really have your tone on this one. I agree, but I'll just stay away from this one for now. Maybe watch what it does on Monday, early morning Sunday. See, but gold for me is in a beautiful range, and I'm looking to capitalize on this tomorrow. Look at this. It's beautiful range right there. I missed the trade on there, but hopefully that won't happen again. And that was pretty much how this week went. Fundamentally, I don't think, except from CPI, we didn't really have any major news popping out. So we just have to wait this week and see what moves the markets. I'll do a video on that tomorrow.